Welcome to my channel. Let's get started. First, we want to go to Adobe Firefly Beta. All right, once you do that, you got to sign up. After that, you're going to press Select Firefly, then Generative Fill. That's going to bring you here. After you pick a template, you erase the template. Now, in this section, where you're about to see me write, wherever you write, it's going to generate the image for you. Yes, guys, this is how you're going to make your new thumbnails. This is fire. Just give it some time. It got to work. So I'm typing in New York City. Bow, there go New York City. Now, being that I'm making a thumbnail video, I'm going to put a thumbnail on New York City. Also, guys, you see how I was moving that? That means, like, if you don't like the picture, you can ask for more or you can search those four. So now I'm going to put thumbnail for New York City. Bow. Yeah. So you got to make room for it. You see how I made room for it? Yeah, I know how to work this part. Hey, make sure y'all like, subscribe. I got other things on my channel that may be important to you, like how to screen record, how to turn audio into text, how to make videos through text, like movie videos and stuff like that, how to make avatars, all types of things. So make sure y'all subscribe. But anyway, I'm still going to see it says giant thumb. So now all of a sudden you're going to see a thumb come up. Just give it a sec. Wow, that's the thumb. Thanks for watching, guys. All my tips is real. Please subscribe and find some more tips on my page. Peace out.